People are always looking for that next thing where they're going to make a ton, but report amongst others suggests that Bitcoin is becoming more and more entrenched.
Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the YouTube channel that wants to make a difference. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips about crypto, NFT, and the stock market. Winnings for winners. Subscribe and win big prizes. Use or affiliate and put your member number and name choosing broker in the comment section below. Don't forget to press the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to more people and help this community grow. I've seen a lot of content that recommends various kinds of cryptos to people, and they paint it as a get-rich-quick scheme. It always leaves me wondering, is what they're saying really true? In today's video, we are going to be looking at two cryptocurrencies with a lot of potential and which you should potentially invest in 2022. In this video, we are going to be explaining what exactly Ethereum and Solana are. We'll go over how they work and review the technology behind them. We'll also delve into all the juicy gossip and all the hype surrounding these cryptocurrencies. Which one could be the one that takes you to the moon, and which one you should eject quickly before it crashes and burns. But importantly, please note that I am not trying to recommend any of these two cryptocurrencies to you. I'm just going to be sharing some of the most important information about these two coins with a lot of potential to make money. Yes, you can definitely make money from them, but how? One thing is for sure in the crypto world, and that is the fact that the game plan for most people to make money is buy low and sell high. But did you know that if you don't sell, you don't lose? Making money in the crypto world has to do with patience and making a good technical analysis. Now let's start with Ethereum. What is Ethereum and what is the hype around this coin? You've probably heard a lot about this crypto, especially since the recent NFT uprising. But could this be the crypto that takes you to the proverbial moon? Ethereum is a decentralized computing platform that accepts Ethereum, also known as Ether, as payment for transactions or gas. Developers can use Ethereum to create decentralized applications or dApps and issue new crypto assets known as Ethereum tokens. After Bitcoin, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It's also a decentralized computing platform that can host a wide range of apps, including plenty of other decentralized finance or DeFi related apps and services. On the Ethereum blockchain, everything from financial tools and games to complicated databases is already running, and only the developers' imaginations can limit its future potential. Ethereum is far more than money, says the Ethereum Foundation, a non-profit organization. It's a financial service, gaming, and app marketplace that will not steal your data or censor you. Smart contracts are Ethereum's main invention, and they are used to create Ethereum-based applications. Smart contracts, like traditional paper contracts, define the conditions of a deal between two parties. But unlike traditional contracts, smart contracts automatically execute when the terms are met, without the need for either party to know who is on the other side of the transaction or for any form of middleman. Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin, and for many investors and fans, it's much more than just another cryptocurrency. Experts predict that by the end of 2022, it would have increased in value by 400%. Ether, Ethereum's native token, has skyrocketed in value since its creation. Ether, a cryptocurrency created by computer programmer Vitalik Buterin, has gone up in value from 0.311 at its debut in 2015 to roughly $4,800 at its most recent high late last year, with plenty of fluctuation along the way. Despite the fact that Ether's price is currently hovering around $3,000 as of right now, it still represents a 700,000% lifetime return on investment. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum has the ability to be used as a software network, allowing developers to create and power new tools, apps, and NFTs. And this is the main reason why a lot of people back this cryptocurrency. According to crypto news outlet Coinpedia, if the same bullish uptrend that began in mid-2021 resumes, Ethereum might end 2022 somewhere between $6,500 and $7,500. However, the crypto market saw a bearish fall in 2022, indicating that Ethereum's price will not climb solely because of the positive sentiment alone. It's still too early in the year to call this, so let's see how that one goes. Solana. Solana is a high-powered performance decentralized blockchain that was created with the purpose of allowing user-friendly applications to scale. With thousands of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and beyond, Solana is regarded to have one of the world's fastest-growing ecosystems. The Solana blockchain is notable for its ultra-fast and low-cost transactions. Because of Solana's scalability, all transactions are under 0.01, and transaction rates can reach 400 milliseconds per block. Proof of history, or POH consensus, is used in the Solana network. The Solana network can generate a historical record that shows an event that happened at any given point in time by using POH. POH employs a cryptographical secure function that is built in such a way that the output cannot be predicted from the input and must be correctly run in order to produce the desired result. Ethereum's slower network gives Solana a little advantage. Solana accomplishes such fast transaction speeds by leveraging a centralized network, which, however, poses a significant risk to its users. The Solana network uses a Tower Byzantine fault-tolerant architecture, which removes the need for nodes to communicate in real time, resulting in increased efficiency. The Solana network can currently process around 50,000 transactions per second. In addition to faster transaction speeds, Solana is also noted for its increased scalability. The Solana network is scalable at the core, which means it doesn't need layer 2 solutions to scale up. The Solana network's technology divides data into smaller bits, making it easier to transfer over the network. Another technology, known as C-level, aids in processing of transactions across GPUs and SSDs, resulting in a more efficient blockchain network. Solana's all-time high was 260.06, which it hit in November 2021. However, since then, Solana's price has declined, and currently, it is trading at around $100. In 2022, various analysts have predicted that Solana would be worth $150 by the end of December. What's the difference between Ethereum and Solana? Solana and Ethereum differ in terms of the consensus mechanism they use. Ethereum follows proof of work, or POW, leading to a more decentralized network, but less scalability. Solana follows proof of history, or POH, which is less secure but more efficient, leading to high speed and low cost transactions. So which of these two is the best to invest in? It is up to you to decide if Ethereum or Solana is the better blockchain for you. Do you prefer a more secure blockchain that is also more expensive, or are time and cost effectiveness your primary concerns? Use Ethereum if you want to transact on the most secure blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain is the most established network, having been around since 2014 and therefore has had more time to improve. You can use Solana if you solely care about quick transactions and inexpensive costs. Solana was founded in 2020 and is still figuring out things, but it does not provide users with a more economical option. What do you think about these two coins? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, I want to remind you about winnings and prizes. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all your crypto news and analysis. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We'll see you again in the next video.